In this video, we're going to look at user role management in HaloSocial. To get started, log into the admin system of your WordPress site and select HaloSocial from the menu. On the HaloSocial dashboard, look for the user's choice, click on that, and select Roles. The screen that loads shows us the roles that are in the system. This is the Roles Manager. It gives us a list of all the roles, a description of each role, and the permissions associated with that role. Note that at this time we cannot add or delete roles for the system, but what we can do is we can change the permissions that are associated with that role. Roles are basically groups used to hold users. A user assigned to a role inherits the rights and the privileges that are associated with that role. There's the admin role, which is your site administrator, the editor, the author, the subscriber, and the public user. Note that public users are really just unauthenticated front-end users to the website. They can only view the site. You could modify that if you want, but it probably doesn't make any sense to do so. You might, however, want to modify some of the other roles and change the permissions associated with them. For example, let's say we want to give the author role more power. In addition to these tasks, we can assign new ones by clicking the Assign link. From the pop-up that appears, you see a list of all of the permissions they currently have and all of the permissions that are in the system. Let's give the author the ability to moderate comments and also to deal with reviews. So we just click each of these. Once we're done, then we can go back here, click again, and click the Save button, and you'll notice now the author role has a whole new set of permissions attached to it. There is a separate video that goes through the different permissions and shows you what else you can do with them. But note, you don't have to click the Save button or anything. Once you make those selections and close that window, the changes are there, and they apply retroactively to everyone who's currently a member of that role.